Okay, I'm here right now in the 99.5 RT Studios, and I'm actually going to meet the 2007 Hall of Famer for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. His name is Mr. Africa Bambaataa, and looks like we have a little bit of technical difficulties inside the booth, so we can't really interview him this evening. So now we sent him over to Magic 89.9. And we're gonna go to Magic, where we shall meet the men.
Hi, how's it going?
This is Andy.
I'm Andy.
And she's in charge of...
I'm the deliverer.
She's the deliverer of the acts for the Manila Music Festival, which is going to be happening on May 1.
I'm delivering the energy in the studio this evening.
Yes, she is.
So, yeah.
And this is the man who's responsible for bringing hip-hop to the world.
Yes, I'm here with my brothers and sisters in Manila, Philippines, enjoying our great country, and we're just enjoying ourselves. Peace, unity, love, and having fun.
This is Mr. Africa Bambaataa. And right in is Mr. Spider.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man is over there. Alright, so they're going to be performing at the Manila Music Festival, and this is going to be tomorrow,
Yes.
May 1, right? And it's going to be at the SM Mall of Asia?
No, not the SM Mall of Asia. It's at the Alpha Land Bay Grounds.
Okay.
On ASEAN Avenue.
Wonderful.
So, please be there. It's Labor Day. It's a holiday, so
Cool.
come on. Yeah.
And have a good guesting on Boys Night Out. Thanks, Andy.
See ya.
Africa. Peace out, man.
Peace out. Man.
Wow, that sounded so cool. I just said peace out.
Boy.